Hello everyone, this is Civil Defense Southerner speaking, and today we are doing a review and test of this First Alert carbon monoxide and gas leak detection detector. So here is the alarm itself. I have it plugged into the wall. It's pluggable with battery backup. As you can open the cover, it has a 9-volt Duracell battery in it. Here's the pad where it gives you all the display path patterns. As you can see, it's full battery, green light, test, silence feature, and peak level. Don't know why my phone is shaking. I don't know why it's doing that, but whatever. And as you can see, I have it plugged into the outlet. Took a while for me to figure that out, but I got it anyway. Here's the manual for it I saved of the alarm. It's made by First Alert. Here are all the display patterns. You can pause and read it for a second and see what they look like for anyone who are new to these. You can find these in the hardware stores. I picked it up at Lowe's earlier today. So yeah, it says, here's what it says. So a gas alarm, it's gonna beep every second, kind of like a smoke alarm. And with carbon monoxide alarm, it repeat beeps. It has a repeating 4 beeps, and then it pauses and then beeps again. And when if you have a gas leak or carbon monoxide, it's gonna either say CO or gas, and it's gonna tell you to get out and move to fresh air before something bad happens. And for carbon monoxide, it's an odorless, colorless poison that can instantly kill you, so it's very good to have these. As you can see, right here I have another one, First Alert carbon monoxide alarm. I've retained it since 22. I'm not going to test it today, but someone gave it to me and I installed it. I have a TikTok of it if you want to see it. But yeah, this is the alarm. We're going to do a test of it today and see how it sounds like. All right, so we're going to test it for test silence. Gas. All right, so that concludes the testing part, and I'm even going to check what the peak level does. And it shows about the ppm of the room environment temperature. So if you have something weird going on, you can check the peak levels. So yeah, that concludes the video of the First Alert carbon monoxide and gas leak detection alarm. And if I forgot to mention, the battery right here is for backup only. So if the power goes out, it's gonna function. In fact, we had a power outage just a few days ago thanks to Hurricane Milton because we live in eastern central Florida. I figured I mentioned that based on some of my latest content you've seen online. But thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.